In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change my Exness login password. This step is crucial for maintaining the security of your Exness account. Your login password, also known as your personal area password, is what you use to access your account. Keeping this password updated ensures that only you have access to your financial information and trading activities. First, sign in to your Exness personal area. On your computer screen, you will see the login fields where you will enter your username and current password. This is the gateway to your account where you can manage your trades, check your balance, and access important information. After entering your login credentials, click on the Sign In button. If you have entered the correct details, you will be directed to your account dashboard. This initial step is essential as it verifies that you are the rightful account holder. Once you are logged in, look to the left sidebar of your account interface. Here you will find several options, and you need to navigate to Profile, then Security. This section is important because it contains all the settings related to your account's safety. By accessing the security settings, you can manage your login information, enabling you to reinforce your account's protection. This is a proactive measure that can prevent unauthorized access and keep your investments safe. Now click on Change Password next to your personal area login. This action brings you to a new window where you will begin the process of updating your password. By selecting this option, you are taking a vital step towards enhancing your account security. You will notice that the interface prompts you to verify your identity, which is a necessary precaution to protect your account from unauthorized changes. Next, you will need to verify your identity using your configured security method. Depending on your settings, this may involve receiving a verification code via email or text message, or utilizing two-factor authentication. This step is very important because it ensures that only you can make changes to your account. After you have completed the verification, you will be allowed to proceed with the password change process. Now you will enter your current password, followed by your new password. Make sure that your new password is strong and secure, ideally combining letters, numbers, and special characters. This is vital as a strong password significantly reduces the chances of unauthorized access. Once you have entered your new password, you will need to confirm it by entering it again. This double check ensures that you did not make any typing errors, which can save you from potential login issues later on. Finally, click Confirm or Save to apply the changes. At this point, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully updated. This step is satisfying as it confirms that your account is now more secure. Remember to log out and then back in to test your new password, ensuring everything works smoothly. If you have forgotten your current password, there is a straightforward way to reset it. Start by opening the Exness sign-in page. Here you will see the option that says I forgot my password. Click on it and you will be prompted to enter your registered email address. This is a critical step because it initiates the password recovery process, allowing you to regain access to your account. After entering your email, complete the verification steps that follow. These may include answering security questions or receiving a verification code to your email. This process is designed to confirm your identity, ensuring that only you can reset your password. Once verified, you will have the opportunity to create a new password. Enter your new password and remember to choose something secure. You can then sign in with your new password. This simple process helps you regain access to your account while keeping it secure.